Preparation of carboxylic acids from derivatives of carboxylic acids. What are derivatives of carboxylic acids? Acid chlorides, acid amides, esters, and anhydrates. All these are derivatives of carboxylic acids. When derivatives of carboxylic acids are hydrolyzed, we'll get as carboxylic acids. We'll get back carboxylic acids. Now if you see acid chloride on hydrolysis. Hydrolysis is addition of H and OH. So what will I get here? Carboxylic acid and HCl. Similarly, amide. Amide on hydrolysis, you will get carboxylic acid and ammonia. Then esters on hydrolysis, you will get carboxylic acids and alcohols. And anhydrates on hydrolysis, you will get 2 moles of carboxylic acids. We'll get 2 moles of carboxylic acids. So, derivatives of carboxylic acids on hydrolysis will give carboxylic acids. Now, if you see acid chlorides and acid anhydrates are hydrolyzed to carboxylic acids by just adding water. The reactivity of acid chlorides and acid anhydrates, acid chlorides and acid anhydrates. The reactivity of acid chloride and acid anhydrates is very high. So they undergo hydrolysis readily even in the absence of catalyst. So acid chlorides and acid anhydrates undergo hydrolysis in the absence of catalyst. Whereas acid amides and esters are hydrolyzed to carboxylic acids either in the presence of acid or a base as a catalyst. So acid catalyzed hydrolysis or base catalyzed hydrolysis. Amides and esters undergo acid catalyzed hydrolysis or base catalyzed hydrolysis to form carboxylic acids. If the reaction is acid catalyzed, you will get direct carboxylic acid. If it is base catalyzed, you will get sodium salt or potassium salt of carboxylic acid basing on the base you are using there. Again I am repeating. Derivatives of carboxylic acids. What are derivatives of carboxylic acids? Acid chlorides, acid anhydrates, amides and esters. These compounds on hydrolysis will give carboxylic acids. Out of these 4 compounds, acid chlorides and anhydrates are highly reactive. So they undergo hydrolysis easily even in the absence of catalyst to form carboxylic acids. Whereas amides and esters, they undergo hydrolysis either in the presence of acid or base as a catalyst there. If it is acid catalyzed reaction, you will directly get carboxylic acid. If it is a base catalyzed reaction, we will get sodium salt of carboxylic acid. That is about preparation of carboxylic acids from derivatives of carboxylic acid.